This confirms I have power to the fuel injection and pump, and zero pressure, and it's not coming on. So power to the fuel pump, and there's the fuel pressure gauge. Zero pressure. There's the fuel pressure gauge hooked up to the fuel line, and I have power 13 volts going to the fuel injection. This is a 1998 Tacoma 2.4 liter rear wheel drive. It was hard to start, and I replaced the fuel regulator, no change, and then it quit completely, and the fuel pump is not coming on.